Richard, good afternoon.
Thanks, Christophe. It's great to be here.
Could you tell us about iCoupon?
Well, I think you have to start with what problem we're trying to fix. When we created the company back in 2016, there were many inefficiencies in the whole disruption process, the distribution of vouchers to passengers, the collection of those vouchers by passengers, the usage of those vouchers at retailers, and then how the retailers got paid by the airline after all of that process had been finished. What we've done is digitize that whole process by using what the passenger already has in their hand, and we've developed a technology which allows us to activate the barcode on the boarding pass with a voucher, which the passenger can then simply show to any iCoupon enabled retailer, and that retailer then scans the barcode, sees the value, and redeems it against the open check. And we then manage all of the billing and the payment on the backside of that between the airline and the retailer. So we've basically taken what was an extremely inefficient process and digitized the whole element end to end. So much better for the airline, much better for the passenger, much better for the retailer.
Partnering with Amadeus, what does it mean to you?
Well, I mean, it means a huge amount. We already have a very successful partnership in place anyways. iCoupon services currently 160 airlines around the world, and many of those are Amadeus customers already, many of them having an integration with iCoupon also. But I think our partnership goes deeper than that, because you guys bring to it a real breadth of solution and data, with a real depth in the industry of having been around for so long. iCoupon brings an agile layer which sits on top of that, which allows us to be very flexible in building the right solutions to meet any particular airline's use cases. So we work with tiny airlines around the world who may be a typical low-cost carrier model, but we also work with the largest airlines in the world, such as Lufthansa and Air Canada and a number of others, who of course are also Amadeus shops, and we're able to support all of their use cases as well. So I think that agility that we bring on top of the layer with Amadeus, whilst Amadeus brings that depth and industry knowledge to us, makes the partnership work very well.
Thank you, Richard.